Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying the fixture is dead with a tester. This prevents shock and lets you work confidently. Once done, remove the bulb and shade, then loosen the socket shell screws so you can access the wiring. Keep screws and small parts in a container. This saves time when reassembling. Make sure the new socket matches the old one's type and voltage rating so the fixture performs safely and reliably. You now remove the old socket by loosening terminal screws or pulling off push-in connectors, paying attention to which wire went where. This matters because polarity keeps the switch on the hot lead. Once exposed, trim damaged wire ends and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation for clean contact. Connect like to like, hot to hot, neutral to neutral, using appropriately sized wire nuts and a short wrap of tape over the nut for extra security. You finish by tucking wires neatly into the box, seating the new socket in place, and tightening mounting screws so nothing moves. Once the cover and shade are back, restore power at the breaker and test with a bulb. If the lamp comes on and the switch operates smoothly, you're done. If you see flicker, smell burning, or the socket feels hot, cut power immediately, then recheck wire tightness and ground continuity, because loose or reversed connections cause those problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.